Attitude according to psychologists. In psychology, an attitude refers to a set of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors toward a particular object, person, thing, or event. Attitudes are often the result of experience or upbringing. Attitudes can form through direct experience, social influence, formal education, conditioning processes, and observation. They can have a powerful influence over behavior and affect how people act in various situations. Social psychologists have found that attitudes and actual behavior are not always perfectly aligned. Attitudes are not set in stone and may change when people learn new information, when they are persuaded by influential people, or when they experience discomfort due to holding conflicting beliefs. Attitudes play a pivotal role in shaping human behavior, from the choices people make about living their lives to the health behaviors they engage in daily. Understanding where these attitudes come from and how they sometimes change can help you look for ways to improve your attitudes. Whether it means adopting a more positive outlook on life or changing your opinion based on new information. Now, in a simple way, we can say that attitude is the way you look at life. It is how you see and respond to events, situations, people, and yourself. Your attitude is created by your thoughts, and you choose your thoughts. You are the architect of your frame of mind. You decide how you will perceive and process the events of life and work. If you want to feel better, you have to think better. How you see and respond to the events of life and work is shaped by your mindset and patterns of thinking. Therefore, a key to success is to train your mind and use it wisely. Now, we see, what is a negative attitude? A negative attitude is the result of negative thinking. It focuses on the problem and stops looking for solutions or opportunities. And a negative attitude can only survive on a steady diet of negative thinking and negative self-talk. A person with a negative attitude will almost always lose to a person with a positive attitude. Sadly, many people with a negative attitude are stuck in a doom loop because they have a negative attitude about improving their attitude. On the other hand, we see, what is a positive attitude? A positive attitude is the result of a disciplined and deliberate way of seeing, thinking, and responding to life. The most important thing is, it is intentional. A positive attitude does not sugarcoat problems. Rather, it sees and acknowledges problems, and then focuses on finding solutions and opportunities. It looks for the opportunity within the problem. The way you think drives the way you feel. Therefore, consciously managing the way you perceive and process events is essential to a positive attitude. Let's see how it works. A person with a default-driven, negative mindset will focus on a situation and say something like, "That's a stupid idea. It will never work." Another person with a discipline-driven, positive mindset will look at the same situation and say something like, "That's an idea. I'm not sure if it will work. But let's explore it further and find out." Note carefully the difference in language between these two mindsets. Now, we shall study aptitude a little bit. Meanings of aptitude are inclination or tendency, a natural ability or talent, capacity for learning. An aptitude is a component of competence to do a certain kind of work at a certain level. Therefore, outstanding aptitude can be considered talent. Aptitude is the inborn potential to perform certain kinds of activities, whether physical or mental. Aptitude is often contrasted with skills and abilities, which are developed through learning. Therefore, Richard Marcel said, "Aptitude without attitude is blind, and attitude without aptitude is lame." Someone also said that your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude.